Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a mint-flavored mojito. First, you'll need about 10 fresh mint leaves and 2 lime wedges. Place these into a sturdy glass. Next, add 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Now, gently muddle these ingredients together. This releases the essential oils from the mint and the juice from the lime, creating a vibrant base for your drink. Once your mint and lime are muddled, it's time to add the spirit. Carefully pour 2 ounces of your favorite white rum into the glass. Next, fill the glass completely with crushed ice. This ensures your mojito will be perfectly chilled. Give everything a good stir for about 15 seconds to properly mix the rum with the muddled ingredients. Now for the refreshing fizz. Top off your glass with about 3 ounces of chilled club soda. This adds a delightful effervescence to your mojito. For the perfect presentation, gently clap a fresh mint sprig between your hands to release its aroma, then place it in the glass. A lime wheel on the rim adds a final touch. Your perfect mint mojito is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately to experience its crisp, refreshing taste at its peak. A straw is ideal for sipping, allowing you to savor all the delightful layers of flavor. Remember, you can always adjust the amount of sugar to suit your personal preference for sweetness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.